Hi, this is the Making Proteins Labcast. So, preferably in groups of 3 or 4, but if you need to work by yourself, that is fine. You're going to basically the idea of this is you are going to learn about how cells make proteins by putting together a model. There is a instruction manual, so you'll see the instructions here. And the first thing you should do is check that all of these pieces are present. So when you get you'll see that there are different little beakers with a plastic bag inside of it that have all the little pieces. Notice there's a different tray for each class, so you have to figure out whether you're in section 1, 2, 3, or 4. You will claim one of those pieces, one of those beakers, and this is showing that there are pieces inside, right? And this is where you want to look at the handout and check off that you have all these items. If you're missing any items, do not take them out of other beakers. You will simply make a list of what you need, and then your teacher can get those pieces for you. You will grab your beaker. There's a piece of tape for you to write your name or names of your group members. And once you take it off the original tray, you will, most likely have to do this for more than one class. So your name will be on it. And then you're going to put it on the tray that's labeled claimed protein models for your particular section number, so that no one else uses those models. So again, you just go through the steps, follow the directions, and it's quite a bit of pages, and that's fine. You're gonna ignore this part which says detach all parts, because what you need to do is you need to look over here. You should be once you build your protein, you realize what the protein is. You're gonna backtrack and take photos. So you're gonna document each step of the process. And once you have those photos, and you feel secure that you have those photos, you will answer these questions. Then once you have the photos, you can, take apart the protein models, and then take the tape off, put the beaker back on the original tray, and then use your pictures and your memory and the instructions to answer these questions. Now, a lot of these questions are going to be incomplete, and you may not be confident in all these answers, and that's fine, because you will have an opportunity to revisit these answers after you have done the lesson. And so after you've taken notes on the process, you will come back to these, add answers to these questions, as well as fix or revise. It is important that you show your answers to the teacher after the first attempt, and you will have a conversation with your teacher and explain what you understand about the process. But just know that it's going to be your first go around. You'll be able to fix those later.